Hello my little warriors, welcome back. Let's see the question number 4. Question number 4 is state whether the following are true or false and justify your answer. The first question is sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. See, actual expansion of sin A plus B is actually sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the actual expansion of sin A plus B. But that particular formula is not at your 10th standard level. At 10th standard level, you are only given value of these angles. Therefore, what we do is we substitute some values for this and see what value we are getting. Okay, for simplicity's sake, we'll take this as 30 degrees and B as 60 degrees. So sin 30 plus 60 will be equal to sin 30 plus sin 60. Sin 30 plus 60 is sin 90. And sin 30 is half plus root 3 by 2. Now, when we solve this further, sin 90 is 1. And here it will be half plus root 3 by 2 will be approximately 1.3 something. So, these two are not equal. So, the answer for this question is, it is false. So, sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. Okay. Let's see the next question. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases. For this question, they should have given the theta value. Like for example, theta value from 0 degrees to 90 degrees or 0 to 180 degrees. The sin theta value changes, it goes up and down. Okay, but since there is no range is given and we are only talking about 10th standard level. At 10th standard level, we are studying angles from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Therefore, within this range from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, the sin theta value increases as theta increases. Therefore, the answer for this particular question is true. But if you take in general, sin theta value goes from 0, goes to a maximum of plus 1, and then comes down to 0, goes to negative 1, and then finishes at 0 again at every 360 degrees. So, this is 0, 180 and 360 degrees. Here 90, at 90 is plus 1, at 270 is minus 1. So, this is the oscillation curve. It has got an oscillating pattern. So, this is the curve of sin theta. But anyway, we will not take that into account. At 10th standard level, we will take this answer as true. Okay. Now, let's go on to the next question. The next question is value of cos theta increases as theta increases. See, cos theta has also got an oscillating pattern, but they have not given any range for this theta, whether it's 0 to 90 or 0 to 360 degrees. But when we take from 0 to 90, cos 0 is 1 and cos 90 is 0. So, basically as theta increases, cos 90 is 0. As theta increases, the value of cos reduces. Therefore, this answer is false. It says cos value increases with increase in angle. It's false. Okay. Next question. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. See, if you see this particular question, sin theta will be equal to cos theta only at specific values. Specific values like if the theta is 45 degrees, sin 45 and cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. But here they given for all values of theta. When it comes to all values of theta, sin theta is not equal to cos theta. Therefore, the answer is false. Okay. Now let's see the last part of the question. The last part of the question is cot A is not defined for A is equal to theta. So, what is cot A? Cot A is basically cos A by sin A. Now here A value is given as 0. Now you put cos 0 divided by sin 0. Cos 0 is 1. Sin 0 is 0. 1 by 0, 1 by any number, 1 by 0 or any number by 0 is actually equal to infinity. Therefore, it is not defined. Therefore, the answer is true. I hope you understood the explanation for the question number 4, and in case of any doubts, please leave a comment. I will be very happy to answer them. See you again in next question. Thank you.